Many people think to do affiliate marketing, you need a website. But it's 2026 and things have changed a lot now. This website method got old because people are searching more on ChatGPT and other AI models rather than Google. So if you're planning to make a website, write a blog and add affiliate links to it in expectation that someone would click on your website, read your blog and click your affiliate links and you may earn commission and add revenues, and this method does not work right now. I have tried both, doing affiliate marketing using website and doing affiliate marketing using social media platforms. And I can give you a complete clarity that what's working right now and what got completely outdated. So let me break this myth. You don't need a website to start affiliate marketing. And the interesting part is the other methods to do affiliate marketing are much easier and faster to earn from affiliate links and make a commission. Because website takes so much time to rank and you don't need to make a landing page for an affiliate product if you pick the right platform. So the first and most popular method for beginners are Instagram affiliate marketing. You pick a product, make a reel on it showing or teaching about that product. You ask viewers to comment to get the link of that product. And if the buyer like that product, they will comment link and through auto DM system, the link will directly go into their DMs. This method is widely used in affiliate marketing right now, and you've already seen many creators doing it. For this, you only need an Instagram account, product link, an auto DM system, and content. And you can do auto DMs using the apps like Super Profile and others. And you're good to go to do affiliate marketing using Instagram. And it completely depends on you if you want to do it with face or faceless. The next method is YouTube affiliate marketing. Many of you would say Instagram is easy, you can get sales faster, and YouTube will take time and lot more efforts. But with Instagram, you have zero security. Your account may get blocked or suspended for no reason, and your entire income can collapse overnight. I've seen many creators who work day and night building their personal brand on Instagram, but due to some reason, Meta just suspend their account one day and their whole hard works get wasted. That's why it is so important to diversify your traffic when you are building a business. You just need to create videos and you can also reuse your reels on YouTube Shorts, show your product, teach about it, build trust, and put the link in the description or pinned comment. That's it. You just need a YouTube channel and a product link and consistency. At first, views may feel slow, but once you start getting some views, you will start earning. And then start working, you can scale it using email marketing. This will make your business more stable in the future. And if you're not comfortable with YouTube, that's completely okay. Start with Instagram first. Make few reels, promote some product, get some confidence, and after some time, when you get some skills of script writing and camera confidence, then you should definitely try doing YouTube also. Because it is very important to diversify your traffic, you can't depend upon just one platform for your complete income. Many people don't tell these things because they sell you easy money hack, which does not work in the real life. They don't talk about the risk factor and challenges you may face in these side hustles and business model. But it is very important for you to know everything before starting any side hustle or business model, before investing your hard work and time. But as a beginner, don't focus on 4 to 5 apps. Just start, pick one platform like Instagram or anything. Start making videos, start promoting products. And when you start to get how things work and you start earning some commission, then you can expand. But when you are just starting out, you need to pick only one platform so that you don't burn out. The next one is Pinterest affiliate marketing. This is very trending right now and everyone is telling half information about it. You should know that you cannot just make a business account, create some pins, add direct link in your pins and you will start earning commission. It's not that simple. Pinterest ban those accounts who use direct linking under scammy activities. That's why most people build a website or a landing page or use any third-party app to add links in the Pinterest. Pinterest seems easy, but it does not work for everyone. You can get some clicks and impression, but getting sales is very hard on Pinterest. As Pinterest is famous for beauty, fitness, room decor, or any of these type of niches, you can easily pick Instagram for it. Same goes with other platforms like Reddit. They also banned accounts who use direct linking in their post. You can also do affiliate marketing on LinkedIn, but only specific type of products can get sales on LinkedIn, like business related tools, software, and others. Each platform has different audience intent. On Pinterest, people usually come to get ideas. And if you're just a beginner, I would not suggest Pinterest. Like, believe me, it just feel like you need to make some pins using Canva or ChatGPT, but it is very hard to get some sales, especially in India. People many times just come for inspiration, not to purchase. So buyer intent matters a lot in affiliate marketing. You need to find where your potential audience or target audience is already searching for. Then you should pick that type of platform. And to earn from all these methods, you would need last and most important thing, which is consistency and patience. If you like to watch videos like how to make 10K by selling useless digital product in your sleep, then I don't give that type of advice because I know there is nothing easy when it comes to earn money online. I only share honest strategies which actually works based on my lived experience. And there are many influencers and YouTubers who love spreading easy money hack, which does not work in real life. So ignore those kind of people who are selling you a dream in the name of their courses and start working hard in strategic way if you genuinely want to earn money online. If you learn anything, like this video and subscribe if you want more honest ways, side hustles and business model videos. And if you want to get more clarity on affiliate marketing, you can check out these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.